See, the way Favor just no book like this, I don't understand.
I beg.
She don't know anything.
No go there.
Favor.
My wife, the pikin wey she go born for me for future.
Sabi good pass.
Forget that, come on. Which kind of nonsense?
Well,
which kind of nonsense? See, no question where you go ask Favor, where Favor no fit answer.
Lie.
Oh, no.
She don't fit.
Una wan try am.
Answer, they no born am well.
Una wan try am.
This one.
Oh, I bet your money. Bet your money. I bet on my money.
That big head.
No, you won't follow us.
I bet on my money.
You want show us say you sabi.
My phone.
You want show us say.
This one na
Manager.
This one, you know how much they buy this one.
Will you keep quiet?
No, I go put my own. I go put the
your own.
Let me this. I will put my last. Today, Favor.
Leave am.
No.
No, why? Leave am.
No.
Keep her here. I go call am. Shebi na Favor. I swear I don't chop una money. I don't chop una money.
No, this one. I will call am. I will answer.
Sarah.
Favor. Come. I don't chop una money.
Call am, come.
See big head.
Guys,
Big head.
How are you?
Favor. Answer.
I go answer.
Wait. Favor. Any question they ask you, answer them. Prove them that you know book.
Oh, you want to answer my question?
Abia.
You want to answer me? Okay. What is a noun? Funke.
Oh my God.
Chai.
I don't know.
You don't know it now.
Where will they go?
Sharp money.
He go do this one.
Favor, you don't know it now.
Look at your big head. You don't know anything. Look at you. You can't even answer.
Favor, my last cash, I bet it for you. I chop my money. But wait, Favor, you want to tell me that you don't know it now? You don't know it? Yes.
And I'm the name of any person, animal person.
So you know it, and you did not tell them.
Remember what happened in the morning?
What happened in the morning?
Remember.
Favor!
Yes.
How are you? See, I am going out. I don't want to see you play. Don't go outside. Don't go anywhere. Do you hear me? What did I say? What did I say? Okay. I should give you 15 naira. I don't have.
But I say counting money.
Oh, you see me counting money, you now want to come and collect it. If I use you and do 15 naira, will you become 15 naira? Will you even bring a good color? Nonsense.
That is the result of this stingy uncle.
Chai.
I never spell it.
Ayẹlẹ o, ìbọ̀sí o.
Thank you for watching our sweet comedy. See you next video.
Yeah. And don't forget, please like our page. Follow us up. MC Malaria Comedy, no be cholera. This thing,
Yeah.
You, my shoe today. You say, let's go.